Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Peacock on Vizio TV. Easy setup step by step clearly. To activate Peacock on your Vizio TV, start by turning on your TV and ensuring it is connected to the internet. Navigate to the home screen using your remote control. Scroll through the available apps to find the Vizio App Store. Select the App Store to open it. In the search bar, type Peacock and press Enter. Locate the Peacock app from the search results. Select the Peacock app to open its details page. Click on the Install button to download the app to your TV. Once the installation is complete, return to the home screen. Find the Peacock app in your list of installed apps. Open the Peacock app by selecting it. You will see an option to log in or create an account. If you already have an account, enter your login credentials. If you need to create a new account, follow the on-screen instructions to sign up. After signing in, you may need to activate your device. A unique activation code will appear on your screen. Visit the activation website on a computer or smartphone. Enter the activation code as prompted on the website. Once the code is accepted, your Peacock app will refresh. You are now ready to enjoy Peacock on your Vizio TV. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.